Today I will share one of the most important topics in car wrapping, which is the cleaning and preparation of the vehicle. One of the aspects to take into account is the cleaning of a vehicle. All these areas, before applying the film, will have to be protected, as the dirt may be attracted to the film. Pay special attention to all these areas, ensuring correct application. When cleaning, do not spray the surface cleaner directly on the area to be cleaned. Installers may be used to spraying directly onto the vehicle, but what will happen? The surface cleaner will penetrate into these difficult to reach areas and will contaminate the areas where we are going to apply the film. The correct use of the surface cleaner is to spray directly on the paper, preferably a microfiber paper. And why paper? I do not recommend the use of cloths, as we may use them many times and they will become dirty and end up contaminating the surface instead of cleaning. The right method will be to spray the surface cleaner on the paper, and we will clean this whole area where we wish to install the film. We have to be very meticulous and efficient, especially in the areas where we will have to mold the vinyl. The most critical areas, as already mentioned, are these zones, next to the plastics. Never spray surface cleaner directly on plastics, as it will penetrate quite deep in the area where we will apply the film. And if it comes into contact with the film, it will lift. The correct and best way to use the surface cleaner is to use a squeegee. Roll it with paper, spray the surface cleaner, and clean this area with the squeegee. As you can see, that got it pretty dirty. Let's turn the paper over and continue with the cleaning until you make sure the surface is completely clean. Worth stressing again, never spray surface cleaner directly onto the surface where you are going to apply the film. In smaller areas with difficult access, we can use our FlexStream tool, which is very useful, not only for application but also for cleaning. We use the same process, spraying the surface cleaner on the paper. Wrap the FlexStream and we will clean this area where with the squeegee it would have been very difficult to clean. As you can see, it is a very contaminated area, which would critically affect the adhesion of the film. We are going to turn the paper over and keep cleaning until we are sure it is properly cleaned. As you can see, it's already less dirty. Never forget, and it is a super important factor, never apply surface cleaner directly to the surface we want to clean. The surface cleaner will stay in the most hidden and difficult to access areas to be cleaned. During the application of the film will touch the surface cleaner that was deposited, will not stick and will cause serious problems. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you at one of our training centres here in Lisbon or anywhere else in Europe. Or click on the link at the end of the video. Hope to see you again soon for our next video. See you soon.